beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my name is Rachel and I post everything skincare tips, product reviews and beauty content. If you're a returning subscriber, hi bestie, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. So on today's video, I want to put you guys on the best exfoliating body lotion that is going to brighten your skin, that is going to clear those rough bumpy areas on your skin. So if this sounds like what you're interested in watching, please kindly stick to this video to the end so that you'll be able to know which product that is actually going to work for your skin type and your skin issues. So without further ado, make sure to give this very big thumbs up. You guys, please support me by liking this video. Like, your like and your comment and your subscriptions mean so well to me because I am putting in the work to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get into the video. So guys, before we get in depth into this video, I would like for us to know the meaning of exfoliation and the types of exfoliation that we have. Exfoliation is the removal of dead skin cells by using chemicals or scrub to remove dead skin cells from our body. Now, there are two types of exfoliation, which is the chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. In my previous, I've made a video concerning the use of physical exfoliation, which is the use of scrubs, brushes to remove dead skin cells from our body. So in today's video, I want to put you guys on chemical exfoliant, which is the use of lactic acid, glycolic acid to remove dead skin cells and brighten our skin. So what is the essence of exfoliation? Exfoliation is good for us to be able to brighten our skin. So if you want to have that clear, brightening looking, soft skin, you need to add exfoliation into your skincare routine. Like, exfoliation is one of the best steps in skincare routine. If you are looking to brighten your skin, take your skin from one shade bright to 2 shade bright, exfoliation is the routine that you need to follow. Hope you understand what exfoliation means and how important it is in our skincare routine. Now let's dive into products recommendation and product review. So guys, the first exfoliating body lotion in today's video is the AmLactin Daily 12% Lactic Acid. This is one of the most popular exfoliating body lotions out there, and for a good reason. This lotion contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant that is beginner friendly, unlike glycolic acid, which means somebody that has sensitive skin can use this product and it is not going to cause irritation, it's not going to irritate your skin. But mind you, while using your exfoliant, make sure to use your exfoliant 3 times in a week, which means you can use it 3 times in a week and get another gentle moisturizing body lotion for your everyday use. Exfoliation is something that needs to be done 3 times a week. It's not something that you need to be doing every day because it is going to break your skin. It can even damage your skin in general. So make sure while you're using these exfoliating products, you have another moisturizing product that you can use every day for your daily use. Don't use your exfoliant during the day. Exfoliants are to be used during the night. This body lotion is gentle on the skin, it is hydrating on the skin, and it is good for people with sensitive skin. So if you know that your skin easily get irritated to products, you might want to try this exfoliating body lotion because it is made for people with sensitive skin, which means it is not going to irritate your skin. So make sure if you have a sensitive skin, this is the best exfoliating product for you to add into your skincare routine. Now let's dive into the next product in this video. So guys, the next exfoliating body lotion in this video is the Renewal body lotion. If you've been following this channel for a while, you will know that I have talked about this lotion countless times in this channel, and let me tell you guys, this is the lotion that I'm currently making use of. And when I started making use of this lotion, I can tell you for a fact that this lotion is quite pricey, but it is worth the price because it is going to give you what you paid for. Like, it is going to give you value for your money. The Renewal body lotion is great for smoothing and brightening the skin, and it is very affordable. So if your goal is to have that bright, soft, supple looking, attractive skin, then you should go for the Renewal body lotion. And the best part of it is that this body lotion is quite affordable. Rather, it is quite affordable, unlike other exfoliating body lotion that is quite expensive. This is affordable and it does the job. So now let's get into the next product in this video. The next exfoliating body lotion in this video is the Advanced Clinicals Lactic Acid and Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Body Lotion. This body lotion contains two powerful ingredients, which is glycolic acid for deep exfoliation and lactic acid for deep hydration. So these are the two powerful ingredients that this product contain, and it is thicker than the rest of this product. Is good for people with dry skin, but it is not as moisturizing as the rest of the body lotion. So if you are using this body lotion, you need to get a good moisturizing body lotion and add it into your skincare routine, like I said earlier. And this body lotion should be used only at night, and it should be used 3 times in a week. Don't use this body lotion every day. It is going to damage your skin. It contains lactic acid, it contains glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is a very great powerful ingredient for exfoliating the skin. It should not be used every day. Please make sure to use this product 2 times or 3 times in a week, and get a moisturizing body lotion that you can be using for your daily use. The days that you are not using exfoliating body lotion, you should be making use of moisturizing body lotion. This is how you use this product. This product is going to help you to clear rough skin patches. It is going to hydrate your skin, and overall it is going to brighten your skin. Baby girl, if you are looking for that brightening, attractive looking skin, that good skin, that soft skin, that baby girl skin, this is the product that you need to add into your skincare routine. I know it is quite pricey, but it is worth the price, you guys. It is worth the price. So if you are looking to have that beautiful skin, that attractive skin, that brightening skin, that skin that people are going to be giving you soft compliments, nice compliments, I love your skin is soft, your skin is supple, your skin is good, what are you using for your skin, all these compliments, this is the body lotion that you need to add into your skincare routine. And baby girl, make sure to be using this body lotion 3 times in a week, and get another good moisturizing body lotion and add to this body lotion, and you are gonna love your skin. Your skin is gonna thank you for it. Guys, the last but not the least exfoliating body lotion in this video is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Radiant Exfoliating Body Lotion. I know you weren't expecting this lotion in this list, but this lotion is actually a very good exfoliating body lotion. For those of you that don't know, this is a good exfoliating body lotion. This body lotion is infused with cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil for deep hydration. Exfoliation here is more supple, making it perfect for daily use. So this product can be used on a daily basis because it's the exfoliant that it contains is not so harsh on the skin. So you can actually use this product as everyday product on your skin, and it's not going to irritate your skin because it is a mild product and it contains mild ingredients that is not going to irritate your skin. If you want to maintain a soft glowy skin without irritation, this is the perfect product for you. And the good thing about this product is that this product is quite affordable, unlike the rest products. And this product is very nice, and it scents so heavenly. The scent of cocoa butter is so smooth and so sweet on the skin. So if you are someone that likes cocoa scent, this is the best product for you to use on your skin. And the good thing about this product is that you can use it on a daily basis and it's not going to irritate your skin because it is mild on the skin. So when you are using these products, you can as well be using it in the night and in the morning. So but if you are using this product in the morning, please make sure to apply a body sunscreen on the areas of your body that are going to be exposed to the sun. Beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to encourage me by giving this video a very big thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your comments. Let me know the products that you would love to try, or which product that you have tried. I would like to hear your opinions and your reviews in the comment section. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified each time I post a very helpful skincare reviews and tips on this channel. Don't forget to stay glued on this page if you want to have that glowy, radiant, supple looking skin, that attractive skin that when you step out, people are going to ask you questions, people are going to compliment you. What are you using for your skin? This is the right channel that you need to stick your ass to. And make sure you guys stay safe out there. I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, see you guys. Bye guys, love you.